crank it.
Cool.
Yeah. I gotta plug this thing in the camera so it won't plug the Bluetooth.
Oh.
No. I thought I forgot it.
You're watching Giant Lucas while you do that.
That'll just run one second. I'm 1.7.
Cool.
You wait for him before we...
Now you can go ahead and tell them that we're holding short ready to depart, and they'll tell him to do something.
Newport News Tower, Scott 65680, holding short runway 20 for departure to the north.
Scott 65680, Newport News Tower, right turn out approved, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 20680.
All right.
Newport News Tower, Cessna 1724, uniform with you on the GPS 20.
But is it?
Is it blinking?
For uniform,
So-
Newport News Tower,
Yep.
report 3
All
mile
right.
final, runway 20.
3 mile final, 154 uniform.
Cessna 24 uniform, after this approach, are you going back to radar, or are you staying with me?
We'll stay with you, full stop, 1724 uniform.
Roger.
It's just squeaking.
It's always squeaky.
Yeah, it sounded funny though.
All right. Up to 1500 and then release the brakes, right?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it's a little bumpy today, but
Bill's character.
be fine. Yeah. Cool.
All right, so I have no idea where Hummel is. Never been.
We can go start turning to the right.
No traffic.
It's gonna be a trip with a lot of right turns. Cool.
Hummel traffic, 65680 is on downwind for runway 19. See the traffic, we'll land behind the traffic. Wakefield, or Hummel traffic.
Cool.
Keep on thinking Wakefield.
Yeah, and so we'll just extend out this way a little bit. We just have to stay power off gliding distance from land, which pretty much 1,000 feet is good all the way to the middle.
West Point traffic, 300 Fox, departing the air to the southwest.
Is it blinking?
Yep.
Okay.
So you'll get a good chance to get all set up. We'll wait since we have...
Hummel traffic, Cessna 55398 on the roll, runway 19,
Okay,
be
cool.
a
So we can set up.
straight out or left downwind departure. Hummel.
Flaps 10.
Flaps 10. We'll slow it down below 85.
Primary traffic, Cessna 70, single 872, maneuvering south of the field at 1,000 feet, St. Mary's.
Start the turn.
And Hummel traffic 60680 is turning base for runway 19. We'll be full stop taxi back. We got the traffic in sight. Hummel. Okay, cool. Next notch flaps.
20 degrees.
Reduce that a little more throttle.
You want me to report final?
You don't have to. He's the last one leaving.
Okay.
Okay, so we're getting a little bit low. Just add in a little bit of throttle and slow us down. There you go. Okay, so if we don't look good, we can just go around.
Okay.
And you just delete those videos. Trust me.
Yeah, if you see something that you're not comfortable with, take over, because this is, I've never,
You
like I
got
said,
this.
I'm so used to PHF.
Man, you don't need an 8,000 foot runway to land a Cessna. Okay, so slow us down to about 62.
Two flaps full.
Yep. That's going to help you with your speed.
Full.
And we're high a little bit so you can take some out. Because actually, as long as we don't get unsafe low, it's a little bit easier to power it to make your aim point than to drop it out in a Cessna. Because a Cessna wants to glide real easy.
Right.
So we're still a little bit fast though. Get us
All the
down
way
to about
back to
62.
idle.
We're gonna have to pitch for 62. So now we're starting to get towards a little bit low. So just add a little bit of that power back in there. You feel we're starting to get that sink. Okay, so a little bit more power.
How's it look?
They look good now. And so after we get over top of the ends of these trees, a little more power. After we get over these trees, you can go ahead and start pulling your power out. So slowly, and now we have our field made, so you can pull your power all the way out. You might have to add a little bit more down at the bottom, but we'll see. A little more power, lower the nose a little bit. Right, and take that out. And now you're perfect. There you go. Nice, man. Okay, flaps are up, and then you stimulate maximum braking because we don't actually need them. But, dude, nice.
Right.
Perfect, man.
Got it.
And how you planted it, it's a little bit hard, but that's what you want for a short field. You don't want it like hard, but dude, that wasn't hard. So cool, dude.
I did it, man.
Yeah, man, Hummel.
The legend, the rumor.
It was the shortest field that the safety practices and procedures of our location will let you do.
I've just heard whispers about it, man. Hushes. Just don't make fun of me.
Still blinking.
Okay.
Not a lot of people take students out here.
Hummel traffic 65680 is taking off runway 19 for close traffic. Hummel traffic. Flaps 10, full power, brakes.
Okay.
Lift 55 knots. Right?
Yep. Rotate. And we'll probably make it over the trees again. And yep, just made it over the trees. So I mean, think about it. You could have landed at a field that's almost over 500 feet shorter than that, and made it over the 50-foot trees.
We're gonna hold off on our drops until you guys are safely on deck.
Flaps up.
Hummel traffic 60680 is turning crosswind for runway 19, Hummel.
I thought I heard someone say that they were dropping parachuters at Hummel.
Parachuter.
Yeah, but nobody took off with parachuters, did they?
Was parachuter traffic for Hummel?
Yes.
Say again for Emporia traffic.
Disregard, we thought we heard you say Hummel 65680.
It's Emporia, I think.
Good. I was like, dude,
Traffic 294.
that's some gnarly parachuters. It's like hit the runway or hit the ocean or, you know. That's a little gnarly.
Airport downwind.
Yep.
Hummel traffic 65680 is on downwind for runway 19. Hummel traffic.
That's a bald eagle. He's behind the wing now. Did you see him?
No, I didn't. I missed it.
Oh, that's a seagull.
It's a nice seagull, though. It's a rare catch.
That nose low.
62, perfect.
Yep. And just beware that we're going to lose that wind as we go down, so you're going to have to lower the nose.
The 45 runway
Little more
29,
power.
landing St. Mary's.
Okay. And
Yeah,
so now
power
just
back.
keep that nose low, because we're going to lose that wind as we come in. And nice. Okay. Flaps are up, and we'll clear at the end, so just let it roll this time. But dude, nice.
Trip lights and landing lights off.
Oh, let's wait till we get off the runway.
Okay, so by back setting.
Yeah, it's probably about 20 feet.
So departing to the south when I
Yep.
announce it.
We'll be departing to the south.
Hummel traffic 65680 is departing runway 19 for the south. Hummel traffic.
Let's make it over the trees again.
Okay.
We'll do a short field.
Short field take. Okay, so full power. Rotate at around 55.
Yep. And then
Okay.
climb out VX and accelerate to VY.
Full power.
Everything's in the green and we're good. Airspeed is alive.
$55 knots. Flaps up.
Cool. Awesome.
Got it.
We didn't even die once.
273, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
So Lima, for the option or full stop?
Whatever you want to do. Let's do the option.
Okay. Newport News Tower, Skyx 65680 is over the York River Bridge with information Lima, and we'd like to request the option.
Okay, 65680, Newport News Tower, enter and report. Midfield, right downwind for runway 25.
Enter and report midfield right downwind for runway 25. Skyx 65680.
Awesome.
25 is the longer one, so right downfield.
Let's do a separate low.
Actually, do you want to do one touch and go on 20, and then after completion of your option on 20, then enter the left downwind for runway 25?
That sounds great. 65680.
Cessna 680, runway 20, clear for the option. After the option, make left close traffic to runway 25.
Clear for the option, runway 20. We'll make left close after the option for runway 25, 65680. Thank you, ma'am.
Just the rollout that's going to be a little different.
Flaps full.
Good luck. We're all counting on you. So let's hold about 65 to 70 now, because with that wind the way it is, we don't want to lose a gust and stall. That'll be bad, okay? Oh no. Alright, so we're drifting a little bit to the left. So we need to drop that right wing a little bit. There you go. And add a little bit of opposite rudder. So a little bit of left rudder in there. That'll get us all nice and established. Awesome. We look good. A little bit slow. Especially for that wind.
It is windy.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be better for 2.5. It's supposed to be. But it still feels kind of... The gusts are really strong. It keeps lifting that right wing when we hit a little bit more. Okay. And so for the soft field, there's not as much of a landing like you have to land here, unless if the examiner gives you something that you have to land at. But normally that's not really going to be the case. Okay, so it wasn't so soft, but flaps up. And
Keep that front wheel up.
yeah, we're good.
Nope.
5502 is outside of Steve's on the ILS for 25.
35502 Newport News Tower, good afternoon as well. Reporting 2 mile final for runway 25.
We'll call 2 miles out, Cessna 35502.
Nice. We got a pretty intense headwind coming
Yeah.
this way, apparently.
Well, their ground speed must be nothing.
Yeah. Actually. Only 48. So let's go ahead and get our corrections in there, though.
We haven't been cleared to land yet, have we?
I thought she cleared us for the option in front of the Cessna traffic.
Should I check?
No, she cleared us for the option.
Okay.
But if you were solo, you'd want to check.
Right. Less, this crosswind's not as strong.
A little more right rudder though. There you go. Awesome, and keep that power in there. This just heads you down real soft. Nice. Okay, cool. So now let's kind of pretend stop. Oop, pull back. And we have 1 notch of flaps. Alright, so now soft field take off.
So
Full
stop.
power.
Okay.
And full back. You want to keep that nose off. They're right behind us, or else we would have been able to. More. So now lower the nose so that you don't climb out too fast. Go about there, and climb out. Nice. That's soft field.
Flaps full.
And this has got to be a full stop, I think.
Alright, you want me to tell them?
I'll just tell everyone we're getting off. I think it was 4 o'clock the plane had to be back. Okay, so keep it low until we get a little bit lower. You don't want to sink through ground effect. Okay, oh, little right rudder. There you go. And there you go, just slowly take the power out and let it set down. And that's actually pretty much perfect, man. Nice. Dude, nice. Okay, so we'll get off at Gulf.
Newport News Tower 65680, we're going to be full stop this time.
Cessna 680, roger, you can turn right at Golf and taxi to the ramp via Delta Alpha, cross runway 20, just monitor ground point 9er, see ya.
Right, Golf, Delta Alpha, cross runway 220, we'll monitor ground point 9er, 65680, thank you.
Okay.
Flaps up.
Cool.
They hold short runway 2?
Nope,
Or?
we're cleared all the way in.
Alright.
And you taxi because I'm going to grab something out the back.
Strobe, landing lights off.